Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of a watchgang black membership watch. This is the watch I actually received in March. Yes, it has been way too long since I've done any videos. I do apologize for that, but hopefully I am getting back into the swing of things. So stay tuned because I do have a lot of box openings coming up and follow-up reviews. Before we get to this, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Sal Baltimore Constellation. Man, I really love all my watches from Sal Baltimore, and this is no exception. It looks great in the sunshine, and the lume on this one is super awesome. Also, guys, if you're looking to save a little bit of money on watches, check the links below. I've got promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you're looking to sign up for watchgang, if you use my link below, I think it gets you some wheel spin points and me some wheel spin points as well, which I use to spin the wheel and get more watches for the channel. And if you're into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Me and my brother are always kind of tinkering and working with some old cars. We don't always know what we're doing, but we have fun giving it a whirl. Now, if you're not familiar with watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company. There are different tier levels: the original tier, the black tier, and the platinum tier level. I believe the original tier is $50 these days, the black tier level is $99, and the platinum tier level is $299. Now, I stay at the black $99 tier level because it's not a crazy gamble for me, and I think I've gotten some pretty cool pieces off of that $99 tier level. So this is a Dominator Del Mar. Not a company I've heard of. I don't know if any of you guys have heard of this one either. Let's go ahead and check this out a little bit. Looks like we've got a DD8010-22 Dominator Del Mar. Go ahead. Wow, this one's super wrapped up in plastic. I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second, and I'm going to pull the plastics off of this one. Now that I've got all the plastics off, we can take a better look at this Dominator Del Mar. Now, I actually really do kind of like the blue on this one. There's a lot of different textures going on the dial, which is nice. Looks like we have a unidirectional rotating bezel with fairly firm clicks, but they're kind of wide clicks. Sometimes that leads to things not quite lining up as nice as you'd like, but there's not a lot of spring back on it so far, so I think that one will line up okay. Looks like we've got their logo on the crown. We've got a brushed case on this one. And you can see the case back there has their logo as well. If my camera would focus, looks like we just have model numbers, serial numbers, stainless steel. And what does it say for the movement? Just says chronograph movement. So I'll definitely have to do some more research to find out what movement's actually in this one. Got a little bit of the logo on their buckle. Now this one has a tapered bracelet. Now previously on some of my leather straps, I was not a huge fan of the taper down on the leather, but after a couple nicer ones wearing them, they tend to be super comfortable. So I'm curious to see how I feel on the taper down on the bracelet itself. Now it does have just a standard stamped fold over clasp. Now I complain about these. They are a little bit cheaper feeling, but it does have micro adjustments on it. So the fold over stamped clasps do feel a little bit cheaper, but I personally have yet to have a problem with one. It's not like they just wear out and fall to pieces on you, at least in my experience. So that's not a deal killer at the price point that this watch was. I like the different levels on the bezel itself. You can see little cutouts on the bezel itself, which is kind of nice. So this one's not too bad. This one is, like I said, the watchgang black membership tier level. So this is the $99 tier level. Now I'm going to have to do some wearing size this bad boy up, wear it a little bit, and see how I really feel about it after I wear it a couple, 2 or 3 times. But who knows? It could be a keeper. Like I said, I like all the different textures and levels in the dial itself. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.